Hello everyone, how are you? Today we're gonna talk about recursive functions. In my previous tutorial, we already talked about function in general, so you should be familiar with that. In this tutorial, I will show you an example what is recursion and how it works. So, what's recursion? Recursion is a process where a function invokes itself, and that function that invokes itself is called a recursive function. I think this is a very simple definition. So, let me show you that on an example. Let's start by solving sheet 9. We're gonna solve problem number 1, 2, and 3. Problem number 1, we need to consider this recursive function. Let me write it again in a clear format. So this is our function mystery. In this problem, we need to know mystery of 4. First, we have a mystery of 4. So now mystery take an integer n, which is 4. Then check if 4 less than or equal 0, it's false, so it will return n, which is 4 plus mystery of 3. So mystery of 4 will return 4 plus mystery of 3. So this function invokes itself again. So now n equal 3, and then check if 3 less than or equal 0, it's false, so it will return n, which is 3 plus mystery of 2. So number 4 will remain the same, and the output of mystery 3 will equal 3 plus mystery of 2. Then mystery of 2, now n equal 2, then check if 2 less than or equal 0, it's false, so it will return n, which is 2 plus mystery of 1. So both 4 and 3 will remain the same, and the output of mystery of 2 will equal 2 plus mystery of 1. Then now n equal 1, so if 1 less than or equal 0, it's false, so it will return 1 plus mystery of 1 minus 1, which is 0. So 4, 3, 2 will remain the same, and the output of mystery of 1 will equal 1 plus mystery of 0. So now n equal 0, right? So now check if 0 less than or equal 0. Yes, it's true, 0 equals 0, so it will return 0. So the output of mystery of 0 equal 0. So the final result will equal 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0, which is 10. Let's check the result on the compiler. We can run this. The output will equal 10. Also, we can here see out n with end line to see the values of n. So n equal 4, 3, 2, 1, then 10. 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is true. How easy is that? Now let's start solving problem number 2. Also, let me write it again in a clear format. This is for tracing, and we need to know the mystery of 20. Alright, we have also a function called mystery. Take integer n, and then check if n less than or equal 0, it will return 0. Then it will return mystery of n over 2 plus 1. So we have mystery of 20, right? So let's trace it. So now n equal 20. If 20 less than or equal 0, it's false, so it will return mystery of 20 over 2 plus 1, which is mystery of 10 plus 1. Alright, so now we have mystery of 10. So now n equal 10. If n, which is 10, less than or equal 0, it's false, so it will return mystery of 10 over 2 plus 1. 10 over 2 equal 5. So number 1 will remain the same, and the output of mystery 10 equal mystery of 5 plus 1. Alright, so now we have mystery of 5. So now n equal 5, then check if 5 less than or equal 0, it's false, so it will return mystery of 5 over 2, which is 2 plus 1. So these two ones will remain the same, and the output of mystery 5 will equal mystery 5 over 2, which is 2 plus 1. Alright, so now n equal 2. If 2 less than or equal 0, it's false, so it will return mystery of 2 over 2, which is 1 plus 1. Alright, so the output of mystery 2 equal mystery of 1 plus 1. Alright, so now we have a mystery of 1. So n equal 1. If n, which is 1, less than or equal 0, it's false, so it will return mystery of 1 over 2, which is 0. Right, so mystery of 0. Here we have mystery of 0, the output of mystery of 1, mystery of 0 plus 1. Alright, and the old ones. So mystery of 0, now n equals 0. If n less than or equal 0, yes, it's true, n which is 0 equals 0, so it will return 0. So this mystery of 0 equal 0. So the final result equal 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 5. We can also trace it. Here's the output, which is 5. Also we can trace the n, equal 20, 10, 5, 2, 1, and the final result equal 5. Here is problem number 3. We need to write a recursive function. Boolean is underscore palindrome that takes a string str that returns true if str is palindrome. Also we have an example of a palindrome, like DEED and this and this. We have a hint here. A word is palindrome if the first and last letters match, and the remainder is also palindrome. So all we have to do is to check for the first and last letters. Let's start implementing the solutions. So here we write our function boolean so we need to check for first and last letters. So we need to create a string of first character equal this input, which is str dot substring of first index, which is 0, and it will read one character. The same thing we'll do it for last character, but it will start from the last index, which is str dot length -1 to get the last character. So we have a first and last. All right. So now we need to check if both are equals. First equal last. So if first equal last, we need to check also the remainder is also palindrome. So here we return this function again, but now it will take the remainder, which is str dot substring. We already check for first character, which is 0, so now we'll start from index 1 till the last index -2, because we already checked the last index, so -2. So here's a reminder of the string. Else it will return false. Don't forget to put semicolon. This is sub str, not st. Okay, and also don't forget to include string library. Okay, now I can create a logic for shortest strings. So here we can create a if condition. In case user input one string, letter A, for example, so it's a palindrome, of course. So if str dot length less than or equal 1, so it will return true. Okay, so here's in the main function. We need to print out on the screen cout, enter string. Then we can create an input string. Then take this input string as cn. So all we have to do is to check if this user input string is palindrome or not. So we need to print out cout. This is for user experience. We need to print the user input is palindrome or not palindrome. So the common is palindrome. Cout palindrome, and here's the need to check is this input is palindrome or not. So here we can create a if condition, then call this palindrome function, which is return boolean, true or false, true or false. So if this function, which now take the user input, if not is palindrome, so in this case we return not. Otherwise it will return is palindrome. So we can check it. Enter string AIIA. So AIIA is palindrome. So can run it again. A whatever. Here is not palindrome, so we can make space here. So now is not palindrome. So alright, how easy is it? Thank you guys. See you next week.